Hey guys, welcome to the Tim shop. I don't even know why I keep saying Tim shop, but today I am here with a special guest. It's not even my cat, but it's a pretty kitty. Let me see your eyes. Come here. It's a beautiful kitty. They have two other kitties. I have no clue where they are, though. No clue. Okay. Don't get so close to the camera. Perfect. Don't rub your butt on me. Please, no. Ow! Kitty. I can't make a cat noise, but meow. Totally. I've never even seen this cat before, but it's so nice. Do you have rabies? That's my question. Wait. No foaming of the mouth. So, we are good. Well, although this video is pretty... What is that? I just touched something. A little prickly. Don't touch me. There you go. I don't even know what this cat's looking at. Anything down the road, cat? Something so interesting you can't show? Look at the camera. Wow. Look, he's hitting you with your tail. Look at that. Don't hit people with tails, okay? What goes around comes back around. Huh? I can't really see. Jeez, eat more, bruh. You look that skinny. Oh, you're purring. Oh, fun fact for you. That sounded weird. Cats only purr. Well, not only purr, but they purr whenever they're healing. Like, that's what it means when cats purr, or that's what I said on Google. But yeah. Guess she loved you. She. I think. No, wait, that's my arm, not the cat. Fabulous. Wow. I want to see. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna show y'all, although there's people here. I'm gonna just hide y'all. You know I can see you, right? Okay, they have 4 chickens or 3 chickens or something. I'm gonna show you them.
Up your hands. You want to mess up your hands?
They didn't see you. There you are. By the way, that's just a shack. Tell me these chickens don't look like crazy people, like, especially that one. My mom is scared of chickens. Yeah. Where? I want to see the other cat. They have a dog too back here. It says, "Beware of dog." I heard the dog. I know you're there. Guess not. Oh, there you are, other kitty. Blending in with the truck, I see. Well, thank you for having that kind introduction. Come here. Come here. You're cute. There's many cats in this house. We also have another dog inside the house, which I'm not going inside. I don't know if I want to. Look at all this hair. They're wearing black, so I can see all your white hair, you little kitty. You know that, right? Rude. By the way, we're right beside the highway, so I don't know if you can see, but there's the dog. No. I'm just gonna zoom in because that dog is very rude. And there's the dog. And yes, if you did not notice. Oh wait, there's a cat up there too. Why are you doing this to me? Why are you licking me? Am I dirty? Look at this cat over here being all suave like he owns the world. But why, cat? Other cat now? That's my question. I don't even know. That feels so very weird. It feels like sandpaper. Oh my god. What? You are literally like lick. He just tried hitting me, you mean cat. Rude.
For real. Hey man, I'm gonna let you know right now. I'm just looking about the picture.
Dang, Daniel. Look at all these plants. I just heard something. Whatever. This video is way too long. Bye, guys.